Story Nest.
Okay, I will generate a series of high-definition 16:9 1080p 3D 60 FPS animation-style images depicting the magical journey of Sammy the seal and Tilly the turtle as they surf the waves in a beautiful ocean kingdom filled with colorful coral and playful dolphins. The images will have a 1920x 1080 resolution and feature consistent characters throughout the story. In the shimmering turquoise waters of the azure abyss lived Sammy the seal, a young pup with a heart full of adventure, and Tilly the turtle, an old and wise reptile with a shell adorned with swirling patterns. One sunny morning, as playful dolphins leaped and twirled around them, Sammy, with his sleek gray fur glistening in the sunlight, nudged Tilly, who was gracefully gliding through a field of swaying anemones. "Tilly, my friend," Sammy barked excitedly, his voice muffled by the water. "I hear the great wave of wonder is cresting today. Legend says it carries those who surf it to the crystal caves, a place filled with untold beauty." Tilly, whose wise old eyes had seen countless tides, chuckled softly, a gentle rumble in her throat. "Indeed, young Sammy," she replied, her voice a low, soothing melody. "But the great wave is a fickle friend, and the journey to the crystal caves is fraught with challenges." Ignoring Tilly's words of caution, Sammy's adventurous spirit soared like a seagull on the wind. He grabbed his favorite kelp surfboard, a smooth green ribbon he had found near the Whispering Reef, and with a determined wiggle, paddled towards the open sea where the legendary wave was rumored to appear. Tilly, though slower, knew better than to let her impetuous friend face the unknown dangers alone. With a steady and persistent pace, she followed Sammy, her strong flippers propelling her through the water, leaving trails of tiny bubbles in her wake. Soon the ocean began to stir. The gentle ripples turned into rolling waves, and the distant roar grew louder. The great wave of wonder was rising, a colossal wall of water that shimmered with all the colors of the rainbow. Sammy, his heart pounding with excitement and a touch of fear, positioned himself on his kelp surfboard, his flippers paddling furiously to catch the monstrous wave. With a surge of power, the wave lifted him, and he was gliding down the face of the towering water with exhilarating speed. Tilly, though not built for surfing, used her sturdy shell to navigate the turbulent waters, riding the edges of the wave, always keeping Sammy within her sight. The colorful coral reefs below seemed to blur as they sped along. Their journey on the great wave was not without its perils. They encountered schools of darting jellyfish that shimmered like jewels but stung with a fiery touch, and grumpy-looking pufferfish that inflated into spiky balls, blocking their path. Sammy, nimble and quick, expertly steered his surfboard around the obstacles, while Tilly, with her slow and steady movements, pushed through them, her tunneled shell providing excellent protection. The playful dolphins, sensing their friends' adventure, occasionally joined them, leaping over the waves and guiding them through tricky currents. As the great wave began to subside, Sammy and Tilly found themselves approaching a magnificent grotto, its entrance shimmering with an ethereal light. This, they knew, must be the entrance to the crystal caves. With a final push from a gentle ripple, Sammy and Tilly floated into the crystal caves. The sight that greeted them was breathtaking. Towering formations of crystal, in every imaginable hue, sparkled and shone, casting a dazzling array of light across the cavern. The walls were adorned with geodes that glittered like 1,000 stars, and the air hummed with a gentle, magical energy. Sammy and Tilly spent what felt like a dream exploring the caves, marveling at the crystalline wonders around them. They discovered hidden pools filled with glowing water, and encountered strange and beautiful sea creatures that seemed to be made of pure light. Finally, as the soft glow of the caves began to dim, they knew it was time to return home. Though the great wave had long since passed, the memory of their thrilling ride and the beauty of the crystal caves would forever be etched in their hearts. As they swam back towards their home in the azure abyss, with the playful dolphins escorting them once more, Sammy couldn't help but smile. He had faced his fears, ridden the great wave, and discovered a magical place, all thanks to his adventurous spirit and the unwavering friendship of Tilly the turtle.